because we don't have our adult ferals anymore. They're no longer here. We do have a frequent visitor, Larry, our neighbor's cat. He comes over here a lot. I catch him on the cameras a lot. We welcome the cats. So we're gonna get the little feral kittens, which are not very feral anymore because they're pretty friendly, and we're gonna move them down into the shed. It's just a shame that some of them don't survive, because I think we've had a lot of feral cats, adult ferals. It's hard to keep them on the property, so they wander off and they go off and they get eaten by coyotes. So we're gonna try a different approach by having cats that are maybe friendly to us, but they're gonna be outdoor. And that's mine. I've been the one out there working.
I just wanted to make sure it was good. It's good.
And Lexi's gone. She's hunting. And there she is. It's a beautiful day. Roosters are crowing. Donkeys are braying. My greeting party. Rock. Funny is that all the animals like to follow me around. Henry will follow me to use me as a scratching post. Rocky will stalk me because he's like, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry. Come on, come on. And then Marty would just go over to his spot where he eats and just wait. See, he's there now. He eats there, Rocky eats here. And so then Rocky likes to shoo everyone off and just kind of circle this little area here, because this is where he eats. So he'll shoo everyone out. He's the pasture bully. And here comes Henry. He's gonna use me as a scratching post. See? There. See if you can see him. What's up, Henry? He likes to nudge me along too and tell me, come on, it's time to eat. Pigs are always the last ones to get fed. It's funny how they'll follow me around as I feed everyone up and down their path, their little area, doing, squealing and whining and just staring at me. And you got lazy Nacho over here. He likes to lay in the trough. Fine, I've been the one out there working.
I just wanted to make sure it was good. It's good.
So like I said, we're going after a different approach. So we're gonna see if we can maybe get friendly cats so they can just stay here and they won't wander off. Hopefully. So, because the feral cats, it just doesn't work out. We had luck with just one, Thelma. She was here for about a year.
She was, yeah. It was sad when we didn't see her again.
Yeah, when she just disappeared, that was, yeah. We were hoping for like 2 weeks. We kept putting food out. Nothing. I think we wasted like a whole case of wet food. Just hoping that she would come back, because every day we kept putting a new one out.
Yeah. I like my new little shoes. They're comfy just to kind of get out on the farm very quickly. I can't find my front gloves.
You have them in the shed. Hay shed.
No, I have a pair of gloves up there.
You have 2 pairs in there now.
Oh, man. What are we calling this project?
It's called Moving the Feral Kittens.
The big kitty move.
Little kitties move.
The little kitties move. The little kitties go into the hen house. I don't know what we're calling this. We're really not gonna name it a project. We've lost so many feral cats, and we invest so much time and energy into our ferals, and it absolutely rips our heart out whenever
they
disappear. They just stop coming around. We stop seeing them eat the food. Obviously the food is not eaten. So these are these are telltale signs that they're just not around the farm anymore. And we need the cats around this farm. If we didn't have the cats or the kittens in the chicken coop, it would be absolutely infested with mice. I'm usually dealing with onesies and twosies, but they don't last long because of the kittens. So what we're doing is
having a beer and just shooting the chit.
So what we're doing is we're making a cage on the outside so that they can come out and get sun and they can get nice cool wind, but then in the evenings they can go in for protection, for warmth, for shelter, to sleep. Their food will be in there, and then our hope is that they will remain on the farm with us because they're extremely friendly now. They let us pet them. I know I gave you guys an update the last video. We're super happy with the way that they're progressing, but now we want them to kind of get used to the chicken coop because that's really where their home is at. And we're just hopeful that this is gonna work. So everything is trial and error, always modifications, trial and error, never ceases.
All right. So before we get comments, I know this looks pretty janky, but the purpose of it, it's temporary. So it'll keep them protected so that they won't go off and be curious little kitties. Because curiosity does kill the cat. I'm not handling those cats anymore. They done tore me up already.
Charlie, can I sit here? I don't feel like we got near as much done this weekend as we wanted. Not even
We
close.
didn't get anything done other than a little kitty thing.